Here is the recipe of fish pulimunchi. Ingredients required: 6 badge red chili, half teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 1/4 teaspoon carom seeds, half teaspoon peppercorns and half teaspoon mustard seeds. Now we are going to dry roast all these ingredients in a pan on a low flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Once all the ingredients are dry roasted, we'll add it to a mixer grinder, and along with that we'll add 3 to 4 garlic cloves, 1 inch ginger, half onion, 2 teaspoon tamarind pulp. Now we'll grind it to a fine paste by adding little water. In a pan, we'll add around 2 to 3 teaspoons of coconut oil, and we'll add finely chopped onion, green chilies and chopped ginger, and fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. And now we are adding the ground masala paste along with some water. We need to fry this masala for 2 to 3 minutes by adding salt and turmeric powder. Just the consistency by adding water in between and stir it well. Now add fish. Here I have used mackerel fish, or else you can use sardine fish as well. Add few curry leaves and close the lid. Let it cook for 6 to 7 minutes on a low flame. Now the bangude fish pulimunchi or the mackerel fish pulimunchi is ready to be served with rice. Thank you.